April the 10th, 2019, about 9:30 in the morning, maybe 50 degrees. Wind coming out of the east, 6, 7, 8, 9 mile an hour maybe. Well, going up. Alright, gotta trim it out a little bit. Oh man, look how big that sucker is. Sounds good, don't it?
Oh, yeah. Sure does. Looks good too, Jack.
Yeah.
How does it handle?
Oh, fine.
Is
Like
it nice?
like a glider. Yeah.
Is it? I don't know that much about jets. Is it tail heavy or is that my imagination?
No,
I don't
this is hands off
Yeah, okay.
with a tailwind, so no, it's not.
It looks like it's. I don't know. I mean, I don't know that much about jets. I was just curious.
Some of these jets fly nose up, don't they, Andy?
Yep.
They always have an upward look to them. The F-18 does.
That's what I was.
Yeah, F-18 is always nose up.
Looks good though.
Yeah.
Put the gear up.
Well, you know they won't work.
They don't.
They won't work for me.
Oh.
One of them will, and the other ones won't. I'm gonna go ahead and come in. I got a 6,000 pack. I'm backing up, Andy. I should be able to fly this quite some time on 6 cells. But
6,000.
yeah, 6,000. All right. As Andy says, cut your power. I don't think I need flaps, do I?
No, we just get it over the runway. There you go.
Now, I didn't even have, you know what? That thing nosed up on me just perfectly. I didn't even have to flare.
No? Hey, you landed like me.
Oh, you mean
you got the little skid.
yeah,
Nice
hey,
plane, Jack.
it really is, and I surprised myself. After Andy told me to get over on the runway,
Looks good.
I lined up with it and